First start braiding it, hey, whatever suits you. But personally, I don't always blow dry. I could naturally braid down my hair.
Anything I want, I get. Watch me style and flex. I need a nigga that's gon' turn me out and pull my G-string down south. Stevie BB. You now rockin' with the best. Boy, don't you leave me on red. I'ma tell you one last time, stop playing with me. You know bad bitch don't come for free. You now rockin' with the best. Boy, don't you leave me on red. I'ma tell you one last time, stop playing with me and let's go. Let's go. Stop wasting minutes. You know I always keep you on your toes when you're in it, so don't keep it away from me for long. I'm gone, want you all alone. Touch me, tease me, love me, please me, baby. Yeah. You got a fella that you want. Say yeah. Need some old school love. Say yeah.
Okay, so how I attach the braids, I braid it down and then like a little bit after halfway, I add in the other braid that wasn't braided down with the braid I'm braiding down, and then I braid it all down, if that makes sense.
Boy, I know when you're around me, it feels like you're on top of the world. Just a love of a lust. Cupid done shot me up. We gotta make this serious. We gotta make this serious. I know you about your cream. Mommy told me stay away from gangsters. Always thought the money was handsome. Treat me like ransom. Consider this a bad bitch anthem. For my ladies who feel me. I know you want it bad. You ain't gotta fight. Bring it on back. When you're ready, we'll take flight. Disappear into the night. You got a that you want. Say yeah. Need some old school love. Wish you had a switch that you could hit, let him know what you with. You got a fella that you want. Say yeah. Need some old school love. Put your hands up in the air, let him know that you care. You don't wanna be my man, but I wanna be your girl. Boy, I know when you're around me, it feels like you're on top of the world. Just a love of a lust, Cupid done shot me up. We gotta make this serious, we gotta make this serious. Anything I want, I get. I'm better than your ex and the next. I need a nigga that's gonna turn me out, then pull my G-string down south. Anything I want, I get. Watch me style and
This is just a better view, and she has an undercut. Excuse my dog, but she has an undercut. So most people, you'd braid like all the way down to their neck, but she doesn't have hair there. So here you see me, I braided down. Then I add the other braided hair to this braided hair. Okay, so here she's all braided up. And yes, I do oil my client's scalp, because if you don't oil your scalp, I mean, obviously they can't oil their scalp themselves because you're the one braiding the hair. But if you don't scalp your hair before you do any protective style or wear a wig or anything like that, it's gonna itch. It's gonna itch you like crazy. And with the sewing, you can't really oil your scalp because the hair is sewed in. So it's good to oil your scalp before the process. If your hairdresser, your hairstylist, they don't oil your scalp, get you a new hairstylist, aka get you a me. Just kidding. No, I'm not. Okay, so after you're braided all up, what you want to do is you want to spray Got2b spray on your edges. It does not mess up your edges. Actually, if you're doing a frontal or anything, it's good to spray Got2b spray on your edges so that way the glue doesn't stick to your hair. So like the Got2b spray is like a protective coat, but here I used it to push back her edges, so while you're sewing down the hair, it doesn't get in the way. The blow dryer is on cool heat, it's not getting burnt. Alright, so you take your closure, and this part you're gonna need help from your client because she's gonna have to hold it down on two sides so you can sew it down. And then from here, what I do is I start sewing all around, as you can see.
Would you let me be your man, baby? Would you let me let you get the baby? Stay down, stay down, stay down. And baby, let me hang.
Once you're done sewing all around, what's left is securing the closure. What you're going to do is you see the flaps that's left not sewn in. I part it into half. You're gonna see it, but I part into half, and I sew it in the middle, starting with the first braid on each side, if that makes sense.
One time, let me love you. Long time, let me love you. Ain't going nowhere. My mana. Am I the biggest size of my mana? My mana. Apana kwam china, my mana. My mana. Am I the biggest size of my mana? My mana. Apana kwam china, 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 my mana. Apana kwam china. One time, okay, okay, okay. One time, one time, you don't even know what it feel like, baby, when you're sitting tight. Don't go, please stay here tonight.
Okay, so I didn't record sewing in the bundles, but that's self-explanatory. I think if y'all want me to do a video of me sewing down tracks, just comment down below. But here I was just, fixing the hair. It's curly hair, so you gotta bring it back to life.
Let me be the one and you can be the boss. One time let me love you, long time let me love you. Ain't going nowhere. My mana, am I the biggest as my mana? My mana, abana kwam china my mana. My mana, am I the biggest as my mana? My mana, abana kwam china my mana. 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 Would you let me be your man, baby? Would you let me light your candle, baby? Stay down, stay down, stay down. And baby, let me handle you, so they can keep talking. They can say what they like. I don't worry, cause everything's gonna be alright. Mama, baby, I send you.
Look, don't judge just yet. I know it look crusty. Trust the process.
Cloud nine, I'm on top of the world. Let me be the one and you can be the boss. One time, let me love you, long time, let me love you. Ain't going nowhere. My mana, am I the biggest size of my mana? My mana, abana kwam china my mana. My mana, am I the biggest size of my mana? My mana, abana kwam china my mana. 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 Abana kwam china my mana.
Cause I'm missing more than just your body.